Hey dolls! So today's video is going to be another clean my apartment with me, springtime edition. I am going to be cleaning my living room and my kitchen. I'm going to be doing some mopping, sweeping, washing dishes possibly. I don't know. We're just going to be cleaning. I've accumulated enough mess to film. So yeah, we're just going to be doing like a weekly clean. I always seem to like post these clean with me's at the beginning of the month. So it's the beginning of April, so it's just on time. So I love these videos. You dolls love them. They're so relaxing to film and do. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, dolls, and let's do this. Clean with me video, dolls. Let's go. This is my apartment, the state of it. Post-Easter, it's a bit of a mess. I'm going to be cleaning so much in here today. It's literally a real clean with me video, like an authentic, not that any of my clean with me videos are fake, but like it is really, I'm really giving you the true dirt of how my apartment can get messy, like the true tea. I just got some food. I went to Dollar Tree and I also went to Jason's Deli. I have dishes that I washed yesterday that are still just, you know, a lot of stuff that needs to just be reorganized and put back in their places, and also in the kitchen as well. So I'm going to be doing a lot. This is going to be a busy full day. Like in the kitchen, I just have things to put back in place, like these towels have been washed. Just random stuff, as I said, that just needs to be put away. The dishes needs to be put inside the cupboard. So I'm really going to be actually cleaning today. It's just a gorgeous day to clean, very peaceful day, and I want to get this done before 5 p.m. So hair up, as you can see, gown on. So I'm going to just already removed some of the Easter decor, like most of the Easter decor, that has been sitting on this table. I've put away. I need to just get the table back to its normal look. I also have a lot that I just need to fix on the chair. Those Easter bunny pillows have to go. That's the first thing that's going. I'm also going to be mopping the floor. These are my dog beds in the corner. Well, they're mats or whatever they sit on. I'm going to be sweeping the floor, mopping the floor, cleaning the sink out, cleaning the top of my oven because it has been a mess, because I've been doing a lot of banana bread baking and stuff like that, organizing the shoes by door, like a lot of little things. I'm just going to make my apartment clean basically. So I guess let's get started. Long talk. Let's just actually, it's so exhausting tidying up sometimes. I just want to delay it. Do you ever do that? And these balloons for my birthday are still up. They are good. Like if you want to go to Dollar Tree, like if you want balloons that actually stay up, Dollar Tree. This is exactly 1 month after my birthday. In fact, 1 month and a week, because I got these a week before my birthday, or 2 weeks before. So look at that. That's still up. And the ones in my room are still there. Okay, dolls, before I clean, I'm thinking of having this on my coffee table. What do you dolls think? I love the gold. I think it ties in with the rest of my living room, which has like the gold theme, as you can see. So, and it's pink and gold, and I just love it. It says the fashion show. I'm thinking of having it on here as an extra book. What do you dolls think? Oh, I think yes. I think yes. You can never have enough books. Maybe the Vogue one can go. Maybe this one can be there. We'll see. I don't know, but I feel like if this one's going to be there, I want it at the top, because, but then I like the bow at the top, but then I like this to show, because you want this to show, the fashion show, and you want that gold stuff to show. So this is nice though. This is a gorgeous book. We'll decide. I don't know. We'll see. That means the bow has to go. The bow has to go. But this is kind of wide, so it probably has to be on the bottom. We'll see. Let's start cleaning finally. Let me stop procrastinating and actually get this job done. So first things first, take the bunny pillows away. All I'm going to do is just reorganize my pillows minus the bunny pillows. I'm also going to be sweeping my floor, because you have to sweep before you mop. I think that's just common sense. And my floor is very dusty a lot of the times because I have 2 dogs, so they always shed everywhere. So I'm constantly sweeping. I'm feeling like I need to update my apartment and get a hoover, because I just am tired of bending down to sweep. I'm too tall for all that. I cannot be bending down anymore. Look at that hair. Just so disgusting. Gross, gross, gross. So my kitchen is dry and I love how it smells in here. I love that mixture. I always use that mixture I showed you for my floors, and it smells good and it feels good and it gives it a nice kind of gloss. So now I'm going to move on to the living room and mop there. Okay, so off camera, I put everything back to normal in the living room because I couldn't film it on camera. I've been feeling very unwell. Not unwell, but it's that time of the month and I get really, really bad cramping. So I just couldn't film it, lifting this heavy thing on camera and getting that out. I actually washed this. So my rug, I washed it. Every time I clean, I wash my rug. And now I did all of that off camera, put that on camera. No, I did it all off camera. But what I want to talk to you dolls about right now is this setup. I decided to not add that book over there. Maybe I need to come up with an idea, but I love the setup. It's still very similar to what we had. I just changed the flowers. So instead of, I love this flower vase. It's actually from Home Goods. I love this flower vase and it's so pretty. It's like, wait, how much was it? $16.99. It's really pretty. It's like a nice shape to it. So instead of like two candles that I usually have here, I decided to have one. And I am obsessed with this candle, dolls. This candle is literally, this candle, Rose and Lychee, or Lychee, I really don't know how to say it. It's actually from Bath and Body Works, and I love it. It smells so good. I am going to get more. It's my new favorite candle from them. I love it. I love the gold detail because it matches my living room, and the pink. It's just gorgeous. I love this neutral looking candle. So it's perfect for spring, summer. And yes, my living room is clean. I was going to clean the kitchen, but I am too sick to continue. Not too sick, but just my body's just not letting me do anything there. Dolls, so I had to wait till the next day because I was so crampy last night as I filmed the video to show you how everything looked like in daylight, and it's gorgeous. I have so much energy now to talk. But everything came out perfect. I love my living room. So clean, floor is clean, house is clean, everywhere is refreshed. It's gorgeous. So dolls, if you enjoyed this clean with me, give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know what your favorite thing about this video was. As usual, let me know in the comment section. If you just want to say hi, comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you dolls. I love you dolls with all my heart, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Smooches, bye dolls. Oh, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe down below. I think I said that, I don't know. But yeah, I love you dolls, bye.